So if you haven't heard already, the famous messaging app Snapchat introduced a new paid subscription, which costs $4 a month. But there's one feature in particular which is very concerning, and if used well, it could put people's lives in danger. Before I tell you, make sure you like and subscribe. So Snapchat's new subscription, which they've nicknamed Snapchat Plus, introduces new features such as exclusive icons, profile icons, and you can also see your friend's past location in a Google Map form, as well as you can pin your number one friend. Now, two of those features are good, but two of those are also bad. Two of those being you can see the recent location and pinning your friend. But the most concerning one is the seeing your location. Pinning your friend is really dumb because if they're your number one best friend, then they're at the top anyways. And paying $4 a month just to pin your friend and other features is kind of dumb. But back to the fact that you can see your friend's location in the past 24 hours in a Google Map form. This is really concerning. And you can literally track someone's location as long as they have their Wi-Fi enabled, which is bad. Because if you wanted to kill them, go onto Snapchat and just literally track them as they're walking. So it's really bad. Now obviously the new paid subscription will get better. I'm pretty sure it only released this week. They'll probably introduce new features, which I'm guessing they're going to be introducing where you can go live on your story. That would be a really good feature to add in. Before I continue, make sure you use code HONESTW for 10% off W Energy Drink. W Energy is an energy drink with 0 sugars, no artificial colors or dyes, and it's gluten free. Get 10% off using the code in our description or on the screen. Another feature I forgot to mention is that you can see who rewatched your story, which is good and bad at the same time. It's good because you can see who's stalking you by looking at your story, and bad because the stalker will get caught. Now obviously this new paid subscription is a work in progress. It's apparently meant to make up for revenue loss. I read it online. But it's a work in progress, so it will get better and probably be worth the €4 a month. But until now, for now, it's probably not worth the €4 a month.